Hi, everybody. My name is Miss Reidinger, and I am your campus librarian. Today, we are going to be doing a lesson that talks about the Big 6 research process and how you can use it to help you in your studies. Now, just in case you didn't see my name on the previous slide, my name is Miss Reininger, and I am your school librarian here. And the purpose of this lesson is to introduce you to the Big 6 research process. And it is a research process that can help you from beginning to end in acquiring research, utilizing research for assignments. This is a really, really helpful tool that I think can help you not only now in your education, but also as you continue in your education. Now, there are a few standards that we need to discuss when it comes to this particular lesson, and the first one is involving the TEKS. TEK number 3 applies to this lesson, and it says that students acquire, analyze, and manage content from digital resources in this particular standard. The second standard is a Common Core standard, and it covers technological subjects. And this standard specifically refers to the integration of knowledge and ideas. And it states that students should be able to distinguish amongst text and reason judgment based on research findings. Now, the third standard that we have here is our ISTE standard 1.3a, and this is talking about constructing knowledge. This particular standard states that students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual pursuits. And lastly, we have our AASL Standard 1 for inquiry, and this particular standard says that students build new knowledge by inquiring, thinking critically, identifying problems, and developing strategies for solving problems. So, again, those are just all of our standards that apply to this lesson. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, what is the Big 6? The Big 6 is just a research technique that has been created to help people from the very beginning to the very end of research assignments that they're completing. There are 6 different steps to this particular model, the Big 6 model. And so the very first step is task definition. Then we move into information seeking strategies. Task number 3 is location and access. Then we move into the use of information, synthesis, and then our sixth and final step is evaluation. Now, what we're going to be doing here in just a minute is you're going to be completing a pre-assessment on a platform called Blendspace to practice the knowledge that you have about each of the Big 6 steps. If you look over here on the right, that is my Bitmoji telling you that you can do it, and you're going to do an absolutely amazing job proving that you know what the Big 6 is about. Okay, guys, so in conclusion, in this particular lesson, we discussed the standards that applied. We reviewed the Big 6 steps, and then you also completed your pre assessment, showing that you have learned what the Big 6 is about. I hope this lesson was very beneficial to you, and I wish you the absolute happiest of researching.